Alright guys, today we are doing a do-it-yourself mask. Not this face mask, but one for skincare. These are going to be our ingredients for today. We have non-fat Greek yogurt, which has a natural lactic acid in it, good for fine lines and wrinkles. It's also a natural moisturizer. We have honey. Honey is antibacterial and antiseptic. It's good for fighting acne, also a really good hydrator. It's a humectant. Then we have turmeric, anti-inflammatory. This is good for acne. It's also good for dark spots. Might leave a little bit of a stain on your skin, but I'll show you after how to get rid of that. And then we have cucumber. Cucumber has a really good cooling effect, which is going to help reduce any inflammation. So this can be done for almost anyone, but I would still suggest that you do a patch test on the inside of your wrist before you continue. So I put in 1 tablespoon of non-fat Greek yogurt, about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and probably 1/2 teaspoon of honey. And then I sliced up my cucumbers. I'm gonna put those under my eyes. All right, I just washed my face, my hands, and I am ready to put this face mask on. About 15 minutes has passed and I am going to go wash it off with some lukewarm water. This is my skin. It's totally bare right now. I just washed it with some lukewarm water and then I used a toner afterwards just to take off some of the excess mask, and it feels amazing.